We're up close to a tornado siren. I think it's an American signal, but we're gonna get closer. We're super duper close. Why am I so zoomed in? 1.3x is how. Oh my god, guys, we're literally this is my view. It's not that far away from me. It's like we're literally let's see, that close is how close we are to the siren. But I'm gonna put it on 1.1x.
There's more. You want more? No, it's not done.
1.1x zoomed in. Siren's over there. Yep, it is an American signal. I can tell.
You don't want it?
Yep, I can see it. I can see the inside. I can see the inside of there. It's an American signal. I can tell by the inside of the circle over there, Mama. Yup, American signal. Here we come. Damn, they're fast over there. Dude, it's, oh, I can see the control box and everything. Sweet. This is a piece of ice cream. Oh, yep, Mama, you see the holes that are on each of those pieces? Yeah, that's, I can tell by the inside of it. I can tell the inside, by the inside. Let's go.
I can see.
Guys, we're gonna get. We found an American signal, boys.
Yeah, I found tornado siren.
I know we did. One leg. Okay. Mommy, you see the holes that are in there? That means it's an American signal. We're so close.
Can I find that tornado sign?
Yeah.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, that blue one.
I can see the control box. I'm eating ice cream right now. I can see the control box for it. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the control box. We're super close. I don't know if you can see, but
You'd be like, we were in Jamaica once. You probably weren't.
so
Alright, go.
the course. It's right here.
My gosh,
Whoa, that is big.
that is big.
Alright, I think you're going to stop recording now.
No. Control box.
It says wear ear protection.
It does? Oh yeah, it does.
Touching it. That's how obsessed you. I mean, I come away from the street, there's cars coming.
Alright, I'm gonna upload the video.